Alright, you gonna cheer for her? What are you gonna say?
No, no, no.
Alright, there she goes. Say it.
No, no, no. Look at those babies. They're running so fast.
Yeah. Who won it? Cora, who won?
I don't know.
Who's that?
Lolo.
Yeah, Lolo won. Cora, can you look at me and say, good job, Lolo?
Good job, Lolo.
Oh, we gotta look at Uncle Scott.
Look at they go.
Can you look at me and say, good job, Lolo?
Good job, Lolo.
We gotta look at Uncle Scott and say that.
Go, Lolo.
Say, good job, Lolo.
Good job, Lolo.